Hi there folks, in this video we're going to have an unboxing of a Baikal combo gun. This particular one is the MP-94 Sever, or North as I believe that translates into in Russian. And this is a 20 gauge 3-inch with a 22 Magnum barrel. So let's have a look at the end flap just to give you some of the information off that. You can see here that it's both in English and in Russian. We have a hunting combination gun model MP-94 Sever. We have the gauge caliber combo, so this is 20 gauge 76 millimeter, which is 3-inch, and 22 Winchester Magnum rimfire. A couple of other calibers available there as well. You can see 5.6 by 39 and 22 long rifle. So this one's got the 600 millimeter length barrel, and this has screw-in chokes for the shotgun, with improved cylinder, modified, and full chokes. And the stock is the walnut version, also available in birch and beech. So, as we get the tape cut out of the way here, we'll get into this thing. And see what's inside. Are we in frame? Yes, we are. Okay. So right off the top we have our instruction manual. MP-94, hunting combination over and under. Throw away the invoice there, you don't need to see that. The usual Baikal combo gun sort of instructions, I guess. We'll have a look through those later on at our leisure. And then the gun itself. So it comes broken down, of course. Got the wrapping on it there. So there's the receiver and buttstock. Walnut with a rubber recoil pad. We've got a narrow sling swivel. Some of the cut checkering that the Baikals come with. Double triggers. Let's see what the receiver markings are here. It says Baikal MP-94. Not sure what that translates into, but I'm sure somebody will tell me. Top opening lever safety, which is supposed to be automatic on these. And we've got the rimfire firing pin on the top and the shotgun one at the bottom. Okay. And let's have a look at the barrel here. So here we've got the barrel and for it. So these are a little bit different. They have an actual handguard on top of the barrel, so that's kind of interesting. Your 22 Winchester Magnum barrel on the top and our 3-inch 20 gauge barrel on the bottom. And these are equipped with an extractor, not an ejector. So there's the lever for the extractor on the side there. You can see how that pushes the empties out. And appears that this one was made in 2011. So got a dealy style latch on the bottom here. Pull that up and take the barrels off, or the fore end off the barrels. Not a bad looking piece of wood on that fore end. And then our barrel unit with its handguard, which is appears to be held on with a screw and a clip which is brazed onto the shotgun barrel. Anyway, we've got a scope rail on the top here for an 11mm scope rail, and a notch rear sight which is drift adjustable for windage. Set this handguard aside. Up front we've got a post type front sight, and we've got our screw-in chokes in there. Okay, let's have a look for the chokes. They must be in here somewhere. Your choke tube is here. Here's the package with the chokes. have a look inside. Choke tube wrench, all wrapped up in oiled paper. And a couple of choke tubes. Let's see. Also wrapped up in paper. This one says, you can get at the markings on it there. There we go. This one is the improved cylinder, .25 choke, lead, and the other one is right here. And this one's the modified. So this is modified half choke, .5 choke, and these are rated for lead. And that would mean that the full choke is in the gun at the moment. So, all right, let's put the barrels on this thing. There we go. And get the fore end here. Oh, she's stiff. Not a bad looking gun. Okay, since this was supposed to be just an unboxing video, I guess we'll leave it at that. And we'll leave any further discussion of the gun and its capabilities to future videos. So, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.